Well, whether or not you guys can see me, I don't know. It's kind of dark. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jordan if you guys are new here, and this is the Good Life Outdoorsman channel. It is snowing. We're about to go fish in a snowstorm. I had no idea it was supposed to snow today. The roads were absolutely terrible, so I'm running very late today. Roads are scary. I don't think anyone prepared for this snowstorm, but meeting a couple people out here. I'm meeting Josh and Christine Fisher. I've never fished with her before, but I follow her on social media and she seems like a really cool person, so can't wait to meet her. And I think we're gonna go for some crappies today. I think Josh got some minnows. I don't really know the plan. I'm running late, so I'm gonna hurry up and get on out there. They're already out there fishing, I believe, so I'm gonna stop talking and get out there.
Found crappies.
No shit.
Yep, 45 feet that way. Yeah, there they are.
For sure.
Yep. Christine, grab the sled and the minnows.
I got him.
You want him?
Yeah, I got him.
They are probably under Jordan and into that hole. I'm on the edge of them.
Oh yeah, there they are.
Yep, they're right under you.
Yeah, they're like halfway down.
I got one flying over to me though.
Oh god. Yep, here they come. And mine are gone.
Yeah, they're flying around. Hopefully we can get them to where they're sitting in one spot. We're back to square one.
Yep. They're here.
They're all over me right now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Why don't they want the minnow head?
I don't know, but you guys got a bunch.
Yeah.
They are so fast.
There we go.
Get one?
Waxworm
I'm not freaking wax.
and tungsten. I switched. That's a better one.
You got a big one, Jordan?
I don't think it's super big, but it's better than the first one. Oh, just kidding.
Yeah, that's a stud. That is a stud.
Yep, that's nice.
They want nothing to do with my minnow head.
Come on, buddy.
Take her off.
Do one of y'all have a big on you?
Yeah. Now they're gone.
They're way that way moving faster than fuck.
Why are they doing this?
I don't know. They know they're on to us.
They're on to
Well,
us.
guess what? We're gonna get on them.
I'm happy with what we've done so
Yeah.
far, sadly.
That's an achievement from the last few times we came.
Just drill a hole in the lake.
That last hole I drilled has that really false layer.
Up top.
Yep.
It's still thick though, underneath.
Only like 2.
2?
That's
Maybe.
better than one.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I think positive.
Well, I've done an absolutely terrible job of explaining things here, but yeah, we are chasing crappies and they are not playing nice. Some have been on minnow heads and some have been on waxworms, but basically with the help of the Panoptics, we're able to get ahead of them and drill a bunch of holes and then keep bouncing around. Not super big, but it's a fish.
Yeah. Only big ones, but we'll take them.
It's good to see there's a different class size in here.
Yeah, they definitely aren't gone.
No, here still.
We came out here and tried to find them last year, and we were under the impression that they all died.
Really?
Yeah.
Yep, they're gone. Oh, I got one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Big?
No.
Blank screen.
They're picky and they're not biting hard. Yeah. They were, now they're gone. It's a little better.
There's 2 groups.
You can see them like 10 feet down.
There's another group 50 feet, or there's one
That's awesome.
10 feet down. There's 3 groups.
What do we do?
Keep fishing this one for now, but
Mine are gone.
we got him. He's back. He's gonna get you. Oh, no, he left again. Oh, now there's some under me. The 2 groups are like joining forces. But they're still swimming 100 miles an hour. They're so fast.
Why are they doing that?
Get him? Yeah, I can see him. I'm about to smoke too. Got one. What you got, Jordan? A big?
Uh-huh.
Small?
Smaller,
Alright.
medium one.
Better than the first hour went. We were
Oh,
talking
yeah.
about leaving. Good one?
I think so.
Looks pretty decent.
He flew like, yeah, with the minnow head.
Fancy, Jordan. Fancy.
What the heck? Yeah.
I'm about to catch one.
They're just getting
Christine, get over here.
packed.
Double team him.
There we go.
Got one fast.
Oh.
Ooh, that's tacky. Yeah.
It's a little better.
You got a knife on?
Yeah, not bad.
Got one, Jordan?
I do.
Big?
No.
How have we not got any more big ones?
I don't know.
First fish was a giant.
I'll still take it though.
Jordan's got a few looking at him right now, I can tell you that for damn sure. I don't know about you guys, but also my freaking bibs are so wet.
Yep.
I'm soaking wet right now.
After Jordan.
I think I have a crappie.
Just me, or we're catching a carp through the ice.
Yeah, it'd be fun.
Have you ever done that?
I have once.
Really?
Catching them on a lipless crankbait in 2 foot of water
What?
in the mouth. Slab wrap.
Oh, that was good. Absolutely. That'd be.
Jordan, you got one?
I do. It's not a big one.
Guys, we found them and we can sit on them for longer than 15 seconds.
Yeah, there's they're clearing a little bit now. But there's still
Shut.
There's a big one.
Nobody deserves that.
Jordan's not saying a damn word, so I assume he's got a couple.
There's,
Probably
yeah,
calling them.
yeah, there's quite a few.
When Jordan gets quiet, you know there's shit around.
Yep. I get so focused.
Yeah.
That's a good way to be. I usually start messing everything up when fish are on me. Like there was just a big loner that came in, and I realized I was below him.
The big loners are the one we want. He came and just flew in.
Like every single bite I've had, I have not felt.
They're just there.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling anything. My rod's just barely moving.
That's no.
Like, this
He's just a
rod is
fighter.
not really made for that.
This, those 12 ones, they'll slam it.
Yeah.
You? Let's-
There's so many things going on there.
Oh, that's better. kind. You hit it good. Yes.
You got a giant? Mine's big too. Can you grab this?
Huh?
Please, will you grab the transducer?
That was.
This one.
I got your line. Hold on.
Oh. Was my spoon hooked to the fish at all?
I can do that for you.
Now I want to try to catch one.
Cheers, Jordan.
Cheers. That's a nice little double up.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
I can't choose what eats me, okay?
This has been fun though. Let's get these back first and I'll ramble. Numero.
I don't understand why I can't
You
catch
know?
a big one.
And yeah, I still don't sit down there. We're gonna catch a couple more, hopefully Christine being a big one. We're getting out of here.
Medium class.
Come on, big fish. Give me like something like
You've got some.
I think I've got anything over 9. Maybe like maybe a 9.5.
Oh my god. A little bit.
Yeah, that's like a medium free.
On a plastic.
Really?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna end it on that note. Pretty successful day, I would say. We've done this in the past, but it has not been the same with the. There's a lot more year classes this year, it seems like. Before we would catch maybe 10 total throughout the whole morning on and they were all the big ones, but we caught a ton of crappie, and we had to work for them a lot for sure, but we ended up finding a couple schools that stayed around a while, and it paid off. We all got a pretty giant one, and it was a lot of fun fishing with both of them, and I think we're gonna go fish somewhere else, but thank you for watching. Till next time.